There you go. Mm-mm-mm-mm-mm. You hear that? That is Every Night by Jameson Flood is the man's name, and he sent that in. And I appreciate that music submission there. It's beautiful music there. You know, that sounds like somebody's getting, somebody getting, molested by a stream or something, maybe in Montana. You know, that sounds like somebody's trying to, somebody's hitting on your mother at a bar while you're, 9 years old, and you're just, waiting over by the cigarette machine, beating on it like it's a video game and trying to find something to do.